Meow. Good morning. I'm very sorry I haven't uploaded that video for the past, I think that's 2 days. I was actually kind of busy with another income that I'm actually trying to learn. So yeah, I'm sorry for that. So for today, I'm gonna show you that we have like 0.82 cats, which we're gonna be selling right now. So we have our first ticket and we are 19 days straight. Now let's go and have a quick combine. Quick sell. And there you go. So I'll be uploading a new video with some updates with our coins right now. I think everything in the market is actually going down. I actually checked like yesterday. I've received a lot of notification that even Bitcoin is going down in the market. So a lot of them are being affected. So I'll shoot you an update with the next video. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick update with what's the status of my cat sound. So we have now 229 cats and targeting to 250. So we can get at least half of it for the 500 cats. That's all. Meow.